I'm Kayla McIsaac, and welcome to Evolution Video Story. And this is your sign to bond with your dog. Seriously, put your phone down, grab that leash, and just be with them. Because today is not just another Wednesday, it's National Bond with Your Dog Day. And yes, Oakley and I are fully celebrating. Spending intentional time with your dog isn't just good for them, it's good for you. That walk you take together, it lowers stress for both of you. It builds trust, deepens your connection, and yeah, it makes them wag their tail like crazy. And dogs have a way of bringing you into the moment. No distractions and no expectations. And once we got home, I gave Oakley a few treats, because he earned them. And now we're settling in for some solid cuddle time. So yeah, this is your sign to go bond with your dog. I'm Kayla McIsaac, and this has been another mindful moment from Evolution Video Story, part of the Evolution Video Podcast Network. Until next time.